Good morning folks, it's Friday, it's 9 AM. Thought we'd start the day with some BMX. Again, old school today. When I say old school, I don't mean 10 years ago. This is 1984. And what we've got here is a Redline PL20. This is just something I built up from a frame and fork set I got recently. It's not exactly how it would have come out of the factory. To try and do a build like that these days would probably take years. So I just stuck on some parts that I had hanging around, had to get a few more bits and pieces to finish it, but it's not totally finished. I haven't got any brakes on it yet. But pretty happy with it so far. So I thought I'd do a little film on it. So like I said, the frame and forks, PL20 from 1984, this one. We'll gloss over the bars and grips because the grips are some repops and the bars are actually off a 90s GT, but they look alright. The stem, it's a nice old Redline forklifter you might recognise from one of my other videos. Suntour made, in need of a bit of cosmetic attention. The wheels are araya 7X. Got a nice kashimax MX seat with the proper KSM guts in there. Suntour seat clamp. Sugino spider and chainring. SR pedals. Got matching araya on the rear. Some Comp 3 tyres. So this came as a complete bike by Redline originally. It's released in '82, designed for their pro rider Stu Thompson. It would have had more Redline parts in it. It would have had the old Redline V-bars, Redline cranks, Redline chainring. I think it came with black UK alloys, KKT lightning pedals. Not sure about the seat, maybe a kashimax aero. So there you go, that's my version. The Redline PL20 Carrera from '84.